cool cars here. There's hot rods and rat rods. It's super cool. And I'm really hoping to meet Horny Mike from Counting Cars. There were so many cool cars that it was hard to pick my top 10. But here's my top 10. Number 10, the first rat rod to make it in the main room. At number 9 is the super cool paint job that is Harley Quinn. Everybody likes Harley Quinn. Number 8, I love a no paint rat rod. At number 7 is a super cool flat black Chevy. 6, beating out number 8 is another no paint rat rod. Number 5 has the best interior in the entire show. Or I just like blue. Speaking of blue, number 4 is super cool. And look at the super cool engine. Number 3 is the super cool light up Camaro. These kind of cars don't usually make it on the list, but this one was just super cool. A salmon colored wagon. A salmon colored wagon? How can that not come at number 2? At number 1 is this tubbed and blown Fiero. I've never seen something so cool. Congratulations in first place on our list. We actually did get to meet Mike from Counting Cars. He was super nice and spent a lot of time with us. He even went out of his way to teach my little sister how to throw up the horns. And the truck he brought with him was just amazing. I don't know how one person could have so much talent. Thank you, Mike from Counting Cars, for taking pictures with us. I hope one day I can be as good as you. I want to give a shout out to Smokey and the Bandit Boys for coming to the World of the Wheels. You guys made the show so much fun, and it was cool to see the original car from the original movie. Thanks for hanging out with me and my sister. Top 100!